to my tutorial on how to make my favorite lemon ginger turmeric detox tea. You're gonna need fresh ginger root, and that's essential. Ground turmeric, you can buy this in fresh or in powdered form. Lemons, black pepper, oil, a grater, hot water that's boiling in the tea kettle, and a sweetener of your choice. I choose honey in case you want to sweeten up your drink. Let's get started. You're going to take your ginger root and you're going to take about a 1-inch piece and peel it. After you're finished peeling, you're going to decide whether you want to leave it very pulpy and fibrous, or you can just strain it and get just the milk of the ginger root. Personally, I like the fiber bits and the pulpy bits, so I'm just going to take the small side of my grater and I'm going to milk my ginger directly into my teacup. If you do not like the fiber parts, you can use a strainer and strain out kind of the woody pieces, just leaving the milk behind in your cup, but that's entirely up to you. Keep in mind, I'm making a single serving, but you can multiply this batch and save it in your fridge for convenience. Once you have grated your ginger, you're going to then take open your turmeric or your curcumin. Again, you can buy this fresh or you can use the powdered version. All I have is powdered for today, so I'm going to use it. And the same rules apply for fresh turmeric as they would for fresh ginger. Peel the outside, grate it directly into your cup, and enjoy. The thing about turmeric is that it becomes more effective if you add a fat into the mixture. So I'm using olive oil for today. Again, we want to increase the bioavailability of these ingredients. We really want to get those anti-inflammatory properties. So if you're going to put turmeric in your cup, make sure you put some fat in there with it to get the benefit of it. I'm going to grind a little bit of black pepper, again, for its anti-inflammatory properties. If you're allergic to black pepper or if it causes you irritable bowel issues, do not use black pepper at all. You can mix and match this recipe to your liking, but I'm showing you what I drink on a daily basis to help fight my lymphedema. Last but not least, I'm gonna cut a wedge of lemon, and I just use my hands. You could use a strainer if you like, and just strain out those seeds, keeping nothing but the juice, and just strain directly into your cup. Perfect. Here we go. I've already started my kettle ahead of time, so through the power of magical television, I have nice hot water to add to my teacup. Again, mixing and infusing all of those ingredients. If you prefer a sweeter beverage, you can add honey or stevia to this concoction. Give it a nice turn. Not only is this lemon ginger turmeric detox tea fabulous for the lymphatic system, it's also great as an immune booster. Try it out and let me know what you think. Perfect. Health never tasted so good.